So, I have two identical knives here and both of them are, let's say, a little bit dull. A little bit extreme dull. Okay, now let's start with the first method. This is the reversing a honing steel method. It gives a rather mediocre sharpening experience, but it is better than nothing. And you see, now it's starting to cut. But there is a little, let's call it a life hack, I want to show you.
Oh no, not another knife hack video. Oh.
This is how the people did it way back then. They took a porcelain plate and used the non-glazed part of the ceramic to sharpen the plate. This will give you a very fine sharpened plate, and as we see on the rim of the plate getting dark, it takes away quite a lot of material. Far more than you can remove with the honing steel. And this method is perfect for everyone who doesn't have or doesn't want to invest in a whetstone or a knife sharpener in particular. I am doing this method for years now and I've always been happy with it. But the only problem is, well, you are darkening down your plates on the underside, but if you use cheap ones, that's not a problem. Just going along it and along it. Following the direction of the knife, just like this. See? And you see it colors this down here a bit. But one word of caution, this does not work with your fancy plastic dining plates. You need to have the porcelain ones. You see? So, I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have learned something, well, let's leave me a like or subscribe to my channel. I don't have much subscribers. So, better don't miss out on becoming a member of the Adventurers Club.